A short moral story. The dog at the well. On a farm lived a mother dog and her pups. The mother dog warned her pups to never play near the well. However, one curious puppy decided to peek over the well. He saw his own reflection in the well and assumed it was another dog. He started barking at his reflection as he thought the other dog was imitating him. He jumped into the well to fight the other puppy, only to realize that there was no other puppy. He kept on barking till the farmer came and saved him. The puppy never went back to the well again. Moral of the story: heed the warnings of those who are wiser.